Hi, I'm Miss Sun from Grow Math Easy. Let's grow our mental math skills by a fun times tables quiz. Pick your answer with a fun pose and watch closely. What is 6 times 1? Six. Make a circle. 6 times 1 is 6. Multiply any number by 1. It stays the same. What is 0 times 7? Zero. Cross your arms. 0 times 7 is 0. Multiply any number by 0. It is 0. What is 3 times 4? Wow! Stand up! 3 times 4 is 12. You can see the multiples of 3 on the number line. What is 5 times 2? Sit down. 5 times 2 is 10. You can see the multiples of 5 on the number line. What is 7 times 8? $56. Make a circle. 7 times 8 is 56. You can see the multiples of 7 on the number line. What is 9 times 10? $90. Sit down. 9 times 10 is 90. You can see the multiples of 9 on the number line. What is 3 times 8? $24. Cross your arms. 3 times 8 is 24. You can see the multiples of 3 on the number line. What is 4 times 6? $24. Cross your arms. 4 times 6 is 24. You can see the multiples of 4 on the number line. What is 4 times 9? $36. Sit down. 4 times 9 is 36. You can see the multiples of 4 on the number line. What is 8 times 6? $48. Sit down. 8 times 6 is 48. You can see the multiples of 8 on the number line. What is 8 times 8? $64. Cross your arms. 8 times 8 is 64. You can see the multiples of 8 on the number line. What is 7 times 12? $84. Make a circle. 7 times 12 is 84. You can see the multiples of 7 on the number line. What is 10 times 6? 60. Make a circle. 10 times 6 is 60. You can see the multiples of 10 on the number line. What is 11 times 4? "44. Stand up. 11 times 4 is 44. You can see the multiples of 11 on the number line. What is 9 times 12? "108. Sit down. 9 times 12 is 108. You can see the multiples of 9 on the number line. What is 6 times 9? "54. Cross your arms. 6 times 9 is 54. You can see the multiples of 6 on the number line. What is 12 times 3? "36. Make a circle. 12 times 3 is 36. You can see the multiples of 12 on the number line. What is 11 times 11? "121. Stand up. 11 times 11 is 121. You can see the multiples of 11 on the number line. What is 12 times 12? "144. Sit down. 12 times 12 is 144. You can see the multiples of 12 on the number line." Well done, my Sunny Stars. You're amazing. This is my first YouTube video ever, and I'm so happy to share it with you. Love this quiz? Please subscribe, like, and share so we can grow more fun together. Some brings the math fun, practice more, and you've won. I've put together a free worksheet to help you grow your times table skills at home. Just click the link in the video description to download it.